It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, this is an update on what's going on down there in Grenada. I talked about this young man here, Dexter, that he had went to Grenada, living, setting up business, and end up getting killed. Now, in the first video I did, I said allegedly, and I'm using that word allegedly, that Wangy, I heard he was the man behind Dexter's killing, and I also heard that he was beefing with another set of gang. Now, as for Dexter, like me say, that's what I hear, and everything is possible because listen, Trinidad St. Vincent, the whole of that little area there, the man them move back and forth. Well, now I got some new information on the war that set off in a Grenada, and listen man, Grenada man them, the man them gone local dog. Cause a lot of people feel like say, true Grenada is such a small country and them have 5 murders a year. Them a idiot or whatever. So listen, it's a new wave, a new tide in Grenada. So now we hearing some more clarity and a little bit more information dealing with on what's going on down there in Grenada. Now, from my source, they tell me that you have a gang war that jumped off, okay? And it is the worst gang war ever. Now, you have a major figure them say linked to the Carnage ghetto, and that would be a youth by the name of Jigga. Now, Jigga and Wangy, they spar together, and Bench and Batty, but the real leader of the gang, of the Carnage gang, I call them the Carnage gang, is Jigga. Now, it is said that Jigga know the man them who kill Wangy, and the word on the street, even the police them I heard, is saying they're preparing for a bloody war. Now they followed them to a club, and according to the source, said that the ops had people posted at the club to watch them, and pretty much when they was relaxed and think everything was okay, that's when they put up bomb and spray them. Now Jigga, he got hit, his ear was grazed with a bullet, but Wangy him get the fatal blow straight to him head. Now the reports are that the place is tense. It is also reported that in the area where Jigga them is from, there is a ass of guys out there talking, and seems like they're having a meeting, planning whatever reprisal. But yeah, So that's what's going on with this case. Now, I heard another guy named be jumping around in this thing, and I'm gonna mention him right now. Look at this picture. A lot of rumors are spreading around. Now, I have heard that it is police them because people said it was a black car, and people are saying that the police is the one them that did the damage. Now, the reason why I have this man picture, and all of this is alleged. It's alleged that this guy here, Dutch Baines, he is the one behind what's going on with Wangy and Jigga. I was gonna say Wigga. No, yeah. So Dutch Baines is a notorious underworld figure, been in jail in St. Lucia, St. Vincent, all over the place. He's from Trinidad, I heard, and actually he's from Grenada, went to Trinidad, went back to Grenada, St. Vincent, got caught up in all sorts of stuff, ended up getting time in St. Vincent, appealed to the Privy Council, and was able to get his time brought down. Now, obviously, he's out, and people are saying the word on the street, not me, allegedly, now let me use that word, that this guy here is behind it. So, it's like this. Them kill Dexter, and Dexter is a St. Vincent, or Vincentian, sorry. I said St. Vincent. He's a Vincentian, and this guy here is familiar with those territory and Vincentian people and St. Vincent. You see what I'm saying? And this guy here have the money to do what he want to do. So everything kind of link, kind of I would say everything have a possible link. So I am watching this one with my ears on the ground. Now, before I go, I'm gonna run it up again. Wangy, him dead. He was hanging with Jitter. Jitter is the headman that they wanted to get. Wangy is the underboss. Him end up get it. Now, the whole place is tense because Jitter them say they saw who did it and they know who did it. But there's also word running around town, and I use the word alleged, that Dutch Baines, the young man picture I just show, and the people are even saying law enforcement is involved. So is Dutch Baines paying law enforcement? I don't know. But boy, Grenada really took a turn for the worse. And it was only a matter of time. It's right beside St. Vincent, it's right beside Trinidad, Venezuela, all of them places to the right. So that island is a little rough island. So people might think Grenada is a little quiet place, but remember them had a revolution and kill one of their prime minister. Revolution and kill Maurice Bishop. So you know, so them people there are revolutionists. Also Trinidad had one, and Jamaica had a 1980 civil war. And me I telling about another little country. This is St. Lucia, a 14 time them war with the British. Dangerous place. Now with that said, I'm keeping my eyes on the ground with this thing that's unfolding in Grenada. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.